So the modern CVT transmissions, they'll go up in hills and stuff, but a lot of them have an awful lot of lag.
The transmission industry just got obliterated by undeniable evidence that destroys everything mechanics have told you about CVT reliability. While dealerships push lifetime fluid lies and independent shops spread CVT failure horror stories, a growing army of informed owners is systematically proving them wrong. They're extracting 200,000 to 300,000 miles from identical transmissions. The documented proof is staggering. Honda CVTs hitting 286,000 miles. Toyota Prius units exceeding 300,000 miles. Subaru owners approaching 200,000 miles with zero issues. This systematic destruction of CVT myths is forcing manufacturers to completely abandon traditional automatics. Honda bet the Accord flagship on CVT reliability. Toyota invested billions in eCVT technology. Subaru eliminated conventional automatics entirely. According to verified service department data from Imperial Valley Honda, Honda CRV Owners Club forums, and Bob is the oil guide technical analysis, properly maintained CVTs are not just matching traditional automatic lifespans. They're exceeding them. In this video, you're about to witness the brutal truth most won't tell you about CVT longevity, the documented evidence that separates 80,000-mile catastrophic failures from 300,000-mile success stories, and the exact maintenance protocols that determine which group you join. This isn't just about transmission reliability. This is about whether you'll face a $4,000 replacement disaster or drive the same transmission for 2 decades without a single issue. The evidence demolishes every CVT reliability myth permanently. Category 1. Catastrophic early failures, 80,000 to 120,000 miles. According to Bob is the Oil Guy forum analysis, the most severe CVT failure pattern affects owners following manufacturer lifetime fluid recommendations. These units exhibit predictable deterioration stages. Here's the failure timeline documentation. At 60,000 miles, fluid oxidation begins and performance degrades subtly. By 75,000 miles, you get juddering during acceleration and slipping under load. At 85,000 miles, delayed engagement starts along with burning fluid odors. By 95,000 miles, complete transmission failure occurs and replacement becomes required. According to Honda CRV Owners Club documented cases, owners following Honda's 60,000-mile fluid intervals consistently experience failures between 80,000 to 120,000 miles. Warranty coverage often expires before failure, leaving owners with complete replacement costs. The root cause analysis is clear. According to Imperial Valley Honda service data, degraded fluid loses lubrication properties. This causes belt and pulley wear, heat buildup, and catastrophic component failure. Category 2. Moderate longevity, 120,000 to 180,000 miles. According to Car Fluid Guide research, CVTs receiving sporadic maintenance with incorrect fluids demonstrate moderate longevity with increasing reliability issues. The performance degradation pattern follows this sequence. Generic CVT fluids provide inadequate protection. 50,000-mile change intervals allow excessive wear. Inconsistent maintenance creates unpredictable failure points. Repair costs escalate as components deteriorate. Category 3. Maximum longevity, 200,000 to 300,000 plus miles. According to daily Car Tips documentation, CVT following conservative maintenance protocols consistently achieve exceptional longevity with minimal issues. Here's the success pattern documentation. 25,000-mile fluid changes using OEM specifications. Immediate attention to warning signs prevents major failures. Conservative driving practices minimize component stress. Regular maintenance prevents heat-related damage. According to Toyota Nation Forum verified reports, owners following this protocol routinely exceed 200,000 miles. Evidence-based maintenance protocol for maximum longevity. Fluid change specifications, non-negotiable requirements. According to Oil Depot technical specifications, CVT longevity depends entirely on using manufacturer exact fluid formulations at conservative intervals. Here are the brand-specific requirements. Honda requires genuine HCF-2 fluid every 25,000 miles maximum. Toyota needs ATF-TFE part number 08886-02505 every 30,000 miles maximum. Subaru uses genuine Subaru Subaru CVT fluid every 30,000 miles maximum. Nissan requires NS-3 CVT fluid every 30,000 miles maximum. According to Imperial Valley Honda technician reports, most CVT failures involve vehicles where owners use generic CVT compatible fluids or exceeded manufacturer intervals. The $20 savings on incorrect fluid creates $4,000 replacement costs. Real-world success case study. According to daily Car Tips verified documentation, Honda owner John achieved 286,000 miles using this exact protocol. John's maintenance record tells the complete story. He bought a 2014 Honda Civic CVT new. He performed genuine HCF-2 fluid changes every 25,000 miles exactly. He completed 11 total services at $200 each. His total maintenance investment was $2,200 over 286,000 miles. Current status shows his CVT operates perfectly with no issues. Here's the comparative failure case. John's neighbor with an identical 2014 Civic followed Honda's lifetime fluid marketing. His CVT failed completely at 87,000 miles. Replacement cost hit $4,500 total. The financial reality is clear. Conservative maintenance saved $2,300 while providing 199,000 additional miles of reliable transportation. Warning sign recognition and intervention strategies. Early detection prevents catastrophic loss. According to Imperial Valley Honda service information, CVT problems exhibit predictable warning signs allowing preventive intervention before complete failure. Here are the critical warning indicators. Whining or grinding noises during acceleration indicate belt wear. Flipping sensation suggests fluid degradation or pressure loss. Delayed engagement signals electronic control problems. Burning odors indicate overheating and component damage. Visible leaks require immediate seal replacement. The intervention protocol is straightforward. According to Honda CR-V Owners Club data, immediate fluid service resolves most early-stage problems completely. Delaying service until complete failure eliminates repair options and forces expensive replacement. Cost-benefit analysis, prevention versus replacement. According to Central Hyundai service data, preventive maintenance delivers overwhelming financial advantages compared to replacement gambling. Conservative maintenance investment through 200,000 miles breaks down like this. 8 fluid services at $200 each equals $1,600 total investment. This prevents catastrophic failure and replacement costs while maintaining vehicle reliability and resale value. Neglect consequences are brutal. CVT replacement costs $3,500 to $5,500 depending on vehicle. Lost resale value adds $2,000 to $5,000 additional loss. Transportation disruption and inconvenience create additional costs. The return on investment is overwhelming. Every $200 fluid change prevents potential $8,000 in replacement and value losses. That's a 40-to-1 protection ratio. Which CVTs to trust long-term? According to OARDS, Automotive Analysis, and Toyota Nation technical documentation, specific CVT applications demonstrate exceptional long-term reliability. Top longevity choices include these options. Toyota Prius eCVT systems use planetary gear design with 300,000 plus mile capability. Honda Civic and Accord CVTs from 2018 onward feature mature engineering with proven reliability. Subaru Aisin built CVTs offer conservative design with excellent durability. CVTs requiring conservative maintenance. According to Bob is the Oil Guy forum analysis, these applications need 25,000 mile service intervals maximum. All Nissan CVT applications due to heat sensitivity. Honda CR-V 2015 to 2017 model years with early design issues. Any CVT used for towing or severe service conditions. The brutal truth. Here's the documented reality that transmission shops don't want you knowing. According to verified data from multiple automotive sources, your CVT will last 200,000 to 300,000 miles if you change fluid every 25,000 to 30,000 miles using genuine manufacturer specifications. According to Bob is the Oil Guide technical analysis, CVTs maintained conservatively exceed double the lifespan of neglected units. The difference isn't gradual, it's catastrophic. Proper maintenance delivers delivers 200,000 extra miles compared to lifetime fluid marketing lies. Your maintenance decision determines everything. Conservative 25,000 mile intervals with OEM fluid create 300,000 mile longevity. Factory lifetime fluid recommendations create 80,000 mile failures. The evidence is overwhelming. The choice belongs entirely to you. But now you have the documented proof that destroys every CVT reliability myth permanently. Sources linked below respect your intelligence with verifiable facts over marketing fiction.